Your team structure is silently failing you. The clues are everywhere. The first signal is communication overhead. If teams need constant alignment meetings to ship one feature or decisions stall because ownership is unclear, your structure is creating friction. Unclear accountability is a structural symptom, not a people problem. Second, watch your delivery metrics. Missed deadlines, rising cycle times, and teams perpetually blocked on each other signal dependency problems baked into the org chart. When one feature requires 3 teams to coordinate, your boundaries don't match the actual work. Team health signals matter. Elevated attrition, burnout, and inter-team conflict are often structural problems in disguise. When people own nothing and depend on everyone, morale drops. Exit interviews and engagement scores surface these patterns before they become crises. At the strategic level, look for misalignment between your team boundaries and your product architecture or customer domains. When your org chart doesn't mirror how value flows to customers, you're organized around internal politics, not outcomes. Finally, quantify before you reorganize. Track DORA metrics, deployment frequency, and lead time. Run employee NPS surveys, analyze retrospectives for recurring blockers, and explicitly map cross-team dependencies. These signals, measured consistently, separate real structural problems from temporary friction. Reorganize when you see communication breakdowns, delivery delays, health signals, or strategic misalignment. Always let data lead. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.